everybody. Today we'll be showing our website, which is called Sunway Pyramid Hotel. As you can see, we made a hotel website where you can book your rooms and get to the dining section, and you can find the facilities in the hotel. Alright, but first let me introduce you to our team. Okay, so our project leader is Eugene Tan. He handles the code for the booking system. Next, we have Nike, and he handles the UI and code for the dining section. And then Lau Kok Chi, he handles the facilities, login sign up form, and he also created the CV codes. Last but not least, we have Chiu Cousin. He handles the offer, UI, and the codes. Okay, so first, let's look at the login and sign up over here. Okay, now this is our login and sign up form. Let me input some information over here first. So let's say I put my name, my email, okay, and then let me add my password. And if I press login, it should say this. Alright, the pop-up message will appear. So now, if I enter something wrong, let's say I put an invalid email, there should be a text that says this. Okay, it's telling me that I need to put in the correct email format. So this is the validation. Okay, when I click sign in with Google, it should show this pop-up message. Same thing with Facebook. Now for the sign up, it should be the same thing as well. If I click create account, it should say that I need to fill up this space over here first. Okay, so let me quickly do this. Then after I finish signing up, it should say this. Okay, and now there's a sign with Google, and it shows the same thing as well.
So for my part of the group project, I created the booking bar. So you put in your check-in date and your checkout date. And your checkout date cannot be before your check-in date, otherwise it will display an error like this. Yeah. So you select the amount of guesses, then you press check availability, then it will display your stay details, showing your dates, your guests, and your number of nights. Then you will choose a room from the available rooms. Then you will be taken to the booking page where it will show the details of your stay, showing the total price. And then you put in your guest details, email address, and phone number. Then a pop-up message will show that the booking has been confirmed, then it will bring you back to the homepage.
Hi, my name is Curzon, and I'll be demonstrating the offer sections. So first of all, we go to the offer section. This is the offer section. So there are 3 featured cards here, and they're created by using CSS Flexbox. Then you can press on the view details to get more information. So when this button is clicked, you'll trigger JavaScript on-click event handler that navigates to this more detailed page. And to return back, you can press the back button. It uses JavaScript function that performs client-side navigations that returns user back to the offer section. This also works for the other 2 cards, this one and this one. So that's all for my parts, and I'll pass it on to my groupmates. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sunway, and today I will be demonstrating the codes in our dining section in our website. So as you can see, this is our homepage. Once you click dining, you'll be redirected to our section, dining section area. And we have 3 options. The first option is executive lounge. As you can see, there's a view lounge button here. Once you click on it, you'll pop up a quick description of the area, the operating hours, and when is breakfast, afternoon tea, and cocktails are serving. Once you scroll up, you'll be able to see our back to dining button, which will take you back to the main menu. And for the lobby cafe, you can see it's just as the previous one, just a quick description showing our opening hours and what beverages are serving. Once you click to back, you'll be able to see our all day dining. Once you click on here, you'll be able to see that we have made an option to reserve. So once you click on this button, you'll be able to see our reservation form. So if I do not input anything and I click confirm reservation, you'll see that it will give us a notification to fill up the field. So once I type my name in and a random email address without the full email, click our reservation, the time, and the number of guests. And once you click confirm, you see that will pop up another notification telling us that we do not input our correct email. So once I do that and we click confirm, as you can see, a reservation received. A confirmation email will be sent shortly to the email that you have submitted. So that's it.
Now over to the facilities part. Here we have all of this. Okay, so we have different sections over here. We have wellness, family, and business. Okay, so as you can see, let me click more info for the outdoor pool, and then it should show you what time this facility should open and what time it will close, and it will tell you where's the location. In this case, it's level 4. Now to the location section, let me click over here, this button, and it should show me this part. It it's showing me the address where the hotel is situated in, and on the right hand side it's showing me how long it will take me to get to this hotel. Now moving on to the contact form, I should click on this contact button and it should lead me to here. On the left hand side you can get the hotel reception info, the phone, email and address. On the right hand side you can see this. Okay, now this is asking you to enter your full name and your email, so let me do that real quick. After I'm done with all of that, you should say this message: thanks for contacting us, we'll get back to you soon. Okay, so that's what the message says. So what happens if I don't put anything at all and I'll click send message? You ask me to enter my full name first. Okay, so now moving to the CV part. Okay, I should click on this CV button over here, and then now I'll show you the CV. Okay, so this is one of my teammates' CV. Okay, so as you can see, this is how the CV looks like. Okay, and it looks very professional, and the grid and flex box, they are perfect. Okay, and so pretty much this CV just includes the profile bio, the contribution. In this case for Eugene, he did project leadership, he's the project leader, and he also did the booking system development.
In this part, I will demonstrate that the website works for different browsers. First, I will show you our website in Microsoft Edge browser. So as you can see, the layout is consistent and works. Next, I will show you our website in Google Chrome. So this is our website in Google Chrome. So as you can see, the layout is also consistent and accurate here. So this shows that our website works across different browsers accurately. So that's all for my parts. Thank you. I will also demonstrate the responsiveness of the layout in different dimensions. So here is the dimension for phone devices. So as you can see, everything here scales accordingly. And for example, I will show you the check-in feature. So after I type everything here, you can see everything scales accordingly here. So for example, I just press this one. You can see that this also scales accordingly as well. Next, this is the dimension for iPad Pro. So you can see everything also scales accurately for this dimension, and I will use the same example. So as you can see, everything works correctly and also scales accurately.
To conclude this presentation, all of the requirements have been met. The website is fully functional with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, including validations, interactivity and user-friendly features. Okay, so thank you.